Hi everyone, Laurel Mintz here with Elevate My Brand. Today we're going to dive into Fiogid and what it actually means and where it came from, because I actually don't think I have ever talked about that on one of my video blogs. So Fiogid came from an old business partner years and years ago, like maybe 10 years ago. And it was a saying that she used often, and it resonated with me so much that now I kind of live that ethos. And what it means is figure it out and get it done. And it's really an attitude. It's an ethos. It's a mindset. And it's something that we live every single day. Now, we've been around, 13 years now, which is just crazy. And we still Fiogid every single day. I'll give you a perfect example. We have a new, really exciting blue chip client. I can't mention the name, but just think little lizards. And they came to us with a challenge around TikTok content. And it wasn't something that we had done extensively before, but I knew that we could deliver on the creative. And so we figured out how to put together the right team aligned with our creative team to ideate, create, edit, and produce and deliver these amazing end results for TikTok for this client. And because the results were so great, they actually just re-signed with us for this new year, which is super, super exciting. So even 13 years later, we still have to Fiogid, and that's why you should every single day as well. I always tell people, don't let anything or anyone intimidate you. Everyone is faking it to some degree. And the truth is, especially as it relates to marketing, there's always going to be a new channel, a new platform, something else that you have to figure out and get it done. So I hope that you'll take our lessons and our words of wisdom and go Fiogid something for your brand today.